Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is July 22nd, 2025, and we're diving into Texas Instruments' latest earnings report for the second quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Texas Instruments, a leader in the semiconductor industry, has just released their Q2 2025 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack. Let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Texas Instruments reported a revenue of $4.45 billion for Q2 2025, marking a 16% increase from the same quarter last year. John, what are your thoughts on this growth?
It's impressive, especially considering the competitive nature of the semiconductor industry. The 16% year-over-year growth is driven by a broad recovery in the industrial sector, which is a key market for Texas Instruments. Their ability to capitalize on this recovery is a testament to their strong product portfolio and strategic positioning.
And what about profitability?
Net income came in at $1.30 billion, with an earnings per share of 141 cents, which includes a 2-cent benefit not originally forecasted. This indicates strong operational efficiency and cost management, contributing to a solid bottom line.
Cash flow and shareholder returns. Moving on to cash flow and shareholder returns, Texas Instruments reported a cash flow from operations of $6.4 billion over the trailing 12 months. How does this reflect on their business model?
This robust cash flow underscores the strength of their business model and the quality of their product offerings. With a free cash flow of $1.8 billion, they have significant liquidity to invest in growth and return value to shareholders.
Speaking of shareholder returns, they returned $6.7 billion to owners over the past year. Can you elaborate on this?
Absolutely. This includes $1.81 billion in stock repurchases, which is a substantial increase from the previous year, and $4.9 billion in dividends. It shows their commitment to rewarding shareholders and confidence in their long-term strategy.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 132 based on a survey of 11 analysts. Texas Instruments reported an actual EPS of 141. What does this tell us, John?
This is a significant beat, with the actual EPS coming in 9 cents higher than expected. It reflects the company's strong operational performance and ability to exceed market expectations, which is always a positive signal for investors.
How might this impact investor sentiment?
Beating analyst expectations typically boosts investor confidence, potentially leading to positive market reactions and a favorable outlook for the stock.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's discuss operational efficiencies and future outlook. Texas Instruments invested $3.9 billion in R&D and SG&A and $4.9 billion in capital expenditures. How does this position them for the future?
These investments are crucial for maintaining their competitive edge and driving innovation. The capital expenditures, in particular, support their 300mm production capabilities, which are a key differentiator in the market.
And what about their outlook for the next quarter?
For Q3, they project revenue between $4.45 billion and $4.80 billion, with EPS ranging from $1.36 to $1.60. This guidance suggests continued growth and stability despite potential challenges from new U.S. tax legislation.
Key takeaways. In summary, Texas Instruments has delivered a strong performance in Q2 2025, with significant revenue growth and an EPS that beat expectations. They continue to return substantial value to shareholders and have a positive outlook for the next quarter. John, any final thoughts?
Texas Instruments is well positioned for future growth, thanks to their strategic investments and strong market presence. Investors should keep an eye on their ability to navigate potential tax changes and maintain their competitive edge.
Thank you, John, for your insights. and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Texas Instruments' performance in the comments below.